All right, Tyrese. First of all, take us through that free kick. What was going through your mind at that point in time?
Boy, tell you, vision, CR7, wonderful. Straight up bins, oh my.
What's your assessment of the game? What do you think about the opponent they played today?
Well, they were very aggressive. At first half, yeah.
Did you expect such a high tempo coming from them?
I didn't expect it.
So I was surprised.
Very surprised.
So basically throughout the game, we guys went 1-0 down. Did at any moment the mentality drop or saying that we might lose this game or anything like that?
Well, it dropped a little. Just tell everybody just lift the game, not done it.
At halftime, what was the coach's instruction? What did the coach telling at halftime? What did he say?
Well, the coach have one thing, just turn it up.
Just turn it up.
Turn it up.
All right. The team didn't have a lot of their normal starting players. What do you think that does that say about the team this season? Coming with a lot of the younger players coming in the squad and getting a result like this. What does that say about the team this season?
Well, it was a disappointment for you that the senior players are not playing, and the younger players then fresh. They're well fresh in the D Cup, so wasn't expecting that.
You wasn't expecting to perform like that?
Yeah.
That's football, I guess. So what next for Tyrese? What's the aim for this season?
Well, the aim for this season, just keep your head focused. The whole team straight to final.
Straight to final?
Straight to final.
Not plan to lift the trophy?
Straight to final, lift the trophy.
All right. Big up here, go.
All right.